way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
So I have the bed from a Ford F150 here. This is one of the newer aluminum ones, and it's destroyed. All in this area has a bunch of rips and stuff in it, and there's no way to really work that out. It has a big buckle up here. Being aluminum, it doesn't work near as well as steel, and even if it was steel, it's pretty torn up. So this is going to get a new bedside. I have the new side right here, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this bedside cut off. So on the inside of this old bedside, you'll see this here. This is a sound deadening pad. And what it does is it keeps the bedside from making a tinny type of noise when it's going down the road. Picture a big flat piece of sheet metal can make that tinny type of noise. And I just have generic ones. So I'm gonna stick this right here. First I'm gonna use this heat lamp to warm it up. It makes it more pliable and sticks way better when it's warmed up. Alright, well I got this bedside all fit up. It looks good, so I'm going to go ahead. I have to drill some holes for rivets on the front side. And then I'll take it back off, get it prepped out for the self-piercing rivets and the panel bond. And then I will put it back on permanently at that point and get it finished up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let the glue dry on this. I put a heat lamp on it. I'm gonna move it around a little bit every once in a while, let this dry, and I'll come back and get this cleaned up a little later. I got this one all wrapped up. I'm going to go ahead and roll it on upstairs to the paint shop so they can get this bedside and tailgate painted.